The latest version of 4DDIG file repair is here, and we've completely updated the product page. In this video, I'll walk you through every repair tool and AI enhancement feature inside 4DDIG file repair. If you're a new user, please download and install 4DDIG file repair first. I'll provide a link in the instructions. Alright, let's dive in. Ever tried to play a video and got that dreaded "we can't play this file" error? Don't panic, it usually just means the file is corrupted. That's where the video repair feature comes in. It supports all the popular formats M4, a VIMOV, and more. With a single click, you can bring your broken videos back to life. And the best part? It doesn't just fix videos that won't open. If your video stutters, freezes, or flickers, 4DDIG can smooth it out so you can watch it without interruptions. If you work with documents every day, this tool can be a real lifesaver. Sometimes, you double-click an important Excel spreadsheet, Word document, or PDF only to be met with an error message instead of opening the file. Occasionally, even compressed zip files refuse to extract, no matter what you try. That's where 4DDIG comes in. Its file repair feature can restore these files quickly and easily. For professionals, it goes even further. 4DDIG also supports repairing engineering and design files, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Got photos that won't open or look corrupted? Just drag them in, and 4DDIG will fix them automatically. Quick and easy. Yes, even audio files. Go to more repair tools, drag in music that won't play or skips, and let 4DDIG do the rest. Next, let's look at the AI Enhancer section. Here, you'll find powerful tools to bring your videos and photos back to life. With the Video Enhancer feature, you can fix blurry videos and upgrade low-quality clips to stunning Ultra HD 4K. After dragging in the video, you just need to select the AI model and the video resolution you want to improve, and then click Enhance. The enhancement effect is pretty good. Photo Enhancer. Improve image quality with AI, making blurry photos sharper, crisper, and clearer. It can be clearly seen that the facial features of the characters are clearer and the details of the clothes are restored very well. AI Expand Image is interesting. It can generate new images or even complete missing parts of existing ones. The last two tools are all about colorization. Have old black and white photos or vintage videos? With 4DDIG, you can restore their colors and bring those memories back to life with just one click. And that's a full tour of the new 4DDIG file repair. From repairing broken files to enhancing and colorizing old memories. It's a complete toolkit for bringing your digital media back to life. Give it a try.